longevity blueprint. We've talked about nutrition, but there's another fundamental pillar of health that many overlook, yet it holds extraordinary power over your lifespan. It's something we do every single day, or at least should be doing well. I'm talking about sleep. Today, we're going to uncover why sleep isn't just rest. It's an active, critical process of repair, rejuvenation, and ultimately, a longer, healthier life. And I'll give you actionable strategies to optimize yours, starting tonight. For years, sleep was misunderstood as a passive state, but science now reveals it's anything but. While you sleep, your body and brain perform essential maintenance functions that are vital to living longer. 1. Cellular repair and growth. Deep sleep triggers the release of growth hormone, which helps repair tissues and regenerate cells across your entire body. 2. Brain detoxification. Your brain has a dedicated cleanup system called the glymphatic system, which is up to 10x more active during sleep. It flushes out metabolic waste, including amyloid beta, a protein linked to Alzheimer's disease. 3. Memory consolidation. Sleep plays a crucial role in learning and memory, helping transfer new knowledge and skills into long-term storage. 4. Hormonal balance. Sleep regulates essential hormones like cortisol, stress, insulin, blood sugar, ghrelin and leptin, hunger and satiety. Chronic sleep deprivation throws these off balance, increasing your risk of obesity, diabetes, and chronic stress. 5. Immune function. Quality sleep boosts your immune system, improving your ability to fight off infections and even cancer. So what happens when we don't get enough restorative sleep? The effects can be severe and directly shorten your health span. Higher risk of cardiovascular disease, including hypertension, heart attack, and stroke. Impaired glucose metabolism and increased likelihood of developing type 2 diabetes. Weakened immune system, leaving you vulnerable to illness. Accelerated cognitive decline and higher risk of neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's. Mood disorders, including anxiety and depression. Weight gain due to hormonal imbalances and cravings for unhealthy foods. In short, chronic sleep deprivation is a major stressor that accelerates cellular aging. The good news? Just like with nutrition and exercise, we can take control of our sleep. Here's your longevity blueprint. 10 actionable strategies to improve your sleep starting tonight. 1. Stick to a consistent schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time daily, even on weekends. It helps regulate your circadian rhythm. 2. Create a sleep sanctuary. Keep your room cool, between 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 to 19 degrees. Dark. Use blackout curtains and quiet. Use a comfortable mattress and supportive pillows. 3. Light matters. Get bright light in the morning, ideally sunlight, to signal wakefulness. In the evening, dim the lights and avoid screens 1 to 2 hours before bed. Use blue light blocking filters or glasses if needed. 4. Establish a wind-down routine. Calming pre-bed rituals like reading, warm baths, meditation, gentle stretching, or soft music help your body prepare for rest. 5. Be mindful of food and drink. Avoid caffeine, alcohol, and large meals close to bedtime. Caffeine lingers in your system, and alcohol disrupts deep sleep. 6. Move your body. Regular exercise improves sleep, but intense workouts too close to bedtime may keep you up. 7. Reduce stress and anxiety. Practice journaling, deep breathing, or mindfulness. If racing thoughts keep you awake, write them down before bed. 8. Limit naps. Short power naps between 20 to 30 minutes can help, but long or late afternoon naps may interfere with nighttime sleep. 9. Invest in comfort. Make sure your mattress and pillows support your preferred sleep position and promote proper alignment. 10. Know when to get help. If sleep remains a struggle despite your efforts, speak to a healthcare provider. Conditions like sleep apnea or chronic insomnia may be at play. The role of wearables and technology, use with caution. Sleep trackers can be a helpful tool for understanding your sleep patterns. They provide data on sleep duration, stages, and disturbances. But don't obsess over the numbers. Use them as a guide, not a source of stress. The best metric is still how rested you feel during the day. Optimizing your sleep may be the single most powerful investment you make in your long-term health and vitality. Which sleep tip will you try first? Let us know in the comments. If this video helped shed light on the science of sleep and longevity, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Longevity Blueprint, and share it with someone you care about. And don't miss our next video, autophagy, the cellular self-eating process that extends lifespan. Thanks for watching, and let's start building your blueprint for a longer, healthier life.